Namaste guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's get into your reading for the month of September 2021 for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs for the sign of Cancer, which is over here, the breast, because Aries is the head. Next comes Taurus, the second house. Third is the Gemini, third house, Mercury. Fourth is Cancer, fourth house, which is over here, the breast, which is represented by Moon, because Cancer Lord is Moon. Okay, so let's get into for your zodiac sign Cancer. We'll do the Golden Dawn spread. So these three cards coming in the center of the spread, this will represent your situation. Over here, this side will represent your current path, where you are going. Exactly opposite to that is your alternate path, meaning what you can alternately do other than your current path. The bottom left corner, this will tell you about your psychological basis, meaning what is running in the background for you in this situation. At last, we finish off with karma. Karma is something that you cannot change or undo. It is destiny. You have to go through it. So I'm going in a spiral. You can see like the Fibonacci sequence, and we have 15 cards in total, each pile consisting of 3 cards, and hence there are 5 piles. For some reason I feel orange might be significant, and connecting with this crystal, carnelian, might be significant. So this is the face down of the cards, guys. You can also check out the timestamps below. Oh my god, we got OTO coming in the center, which has to be replaced. So this is the Ordo Templi Orientis, secret society. We'll replace the Hierophant, which is the major arcana, Prince of Cups, court card. So I'll replace this now. So I have included this particular card in the deck because I feel whenever this card comes out naturally in the tarot reading, I perceive it as something that is major, more than the major arcana. Because as you can see, the Hierophant is major arcana. It's a significant card, very significant card in the major arcana, but I feel OTO is even more significant. So whenever this card comes, I feel I made an intention that if universe has to present this card, it has to tell me that it is an important message, whatever this card will be replaced with. Okay, that's the intention I've kept, and I'm going according to that method. So depending on what card is replaced on that, it will tell you the message, what is major. So we got indolence, which is 8 of Cups. So this is a major thing that we have to look out for. So this completes your situation. Moving on to the current path, we got Death, the Hangman, major arcana, and Queen of Swords. So these two are major arcana, one is court card. Moving on to the alternate, we got the Devil, major arcana, Worry, 5 of discs, and Gain, 9 of discs. In the psychological basis, we started off with Ruin, 10 of Swords, following Queen of Wands, court card, finishing off with 3 of discs, which is Works. In the karma, we started with 9 of Swords, Cruelty, following Prudence, 8 of discs, and finishing off with Princess of Discs, court card. So this completes your entire reading, guys. Let's start with the reading. Alright guys, welcome back. So we have some significant messages in the spread. As we know, OTO was replaced with indolence, and if you guys have skipped to this part, please go back into the spread and check out. We got OTO in the center of the reading, center of the spread, and it was replaced with 8 of cups, which is indolence. So this is actually a major month for you, and it's a significant reading. So yeah, let's just get into the reading. In this situation, we got the Hierophant, 5th major arcana, 8 of cups indolence, and Prince of cups, which is court card. I mean, technically speaking, Hierophant is a Jupiter energy, which is totally swords. Okay, and that's the reason why there is a figure over here, Egyptian figure holding the sword, because a sword is air element, and air element is represented as mind, and it's knowledge. Hierophant is a teacher, Jupiter, like that. Okay, now I am seeing with next to the indolence card and Prince of Cups with the water energy over here. I feel I mean, there is a situation where you are very likely to meet a mentor or a teacher or someone who can guide you like a tutor. Okay, but I feel there is some aspect of your own feeling also that you have, because we got OTO replacing indolence, and this is a confirmation from the OTO card that there is some aspect of your feeling in the situation, because situation is this, the situation is that you will attract some kind of a mentor or a tutor into your life. It can be a professional teacher or like a friend who actually guides you. It implies differently for different people, but a person is going to come and he can definitely guide you through, because he has a lot of knowledge. He can confidently guide you to go towards that in order to be in a good position, like that. But there is some aspect of your element in the situation also, is what I feel. And whenever it is necessary, especially with indolence card, whenever you really want a mentor, because there is some lack of emotions, lack of value that you're getting in the society, whatever, that's the reason you're attracting this kind of energy. At the same time, deep down you have a feeling, internal feeling, that whoever comes should be a long-term thing. It should be a long-term, especially with the Hierophant card, Jupiter energy, long-term, like almost like a marriage only, like that kind of long-term. Okay, that aspect of energy is there, because Hierophant is someone who has knowledge with regards to marriage also. But coming to next to these cards, it represents that you have a desire that whoever comes has to stay for a long term and connect with you in a way that you are free to open up and share whatever concerns you have, get advice freely, like that. Okay, so that is what I'm getting. That is the situation. And universe is saying that, with the indolence card, universe is saying, try to just be positive at this time. See the positive sides. There are very few cups that are filled, and there are many cups which are not filled, but focus on the cups which are filled, which are already filled, meaning that next to Hierophant, focus on the energy that you already have and the amount of knowledge that you already have. Focus on that, be positive with regards to that, be grateful with regards to that, and definitely everything will be fine. You're going to move forward in a way that you would like to go, and everything would be fine. Yeah. And I feel like there will be some kind of knowledge that you will use in order to move forward very positively, especially with the Prince of Cups energy over here. If you have studied the Alchemist book, I'm saying this, it's funny that I'm saying this right now. It actually relates to the situation, because Alchemist, in the book of Alchemist, you can see, I'm just going to give a little information, but there is a lot of aspect of in that book, so study the book. There'll be a scene where the boy actually finds a particular piece where he actually makes use of in order to get guidance from, and it's all about the movement. And you can see in the Alchemist book, please do study that, please do read that whenever you're free, because I feel you're getting that same kind of knowledge. The snake over here, he's carrying, and I feel like in this representation the snake is actually guiding him where to go, and it's all metaphorical, and it's nothing but the knowledge. It is nothing but the knowledge, secretive knowledge, especially with the snake, etc. So that is being given to you from the Hierophant, and that's why we got OTO replacing indolence, etc., etc. So that's how it gets confirmed. So this is what I'm saying. So be grateful, be positive. You're going to definitely attract a person who can give you great advice, which you can make use of in your life to transform and to really transform your life. Okay, and that is what I feel. In the current path, we got Death, Major Arcana, the Hangman, Major Arcana, Queen of Swords, Code card. Two, Major Arcanas. Next to that, we have got Queen of Swords. So again, coming back to the transformation, this is what happens. You're going towards that. You're naturally attracting. Especially the current path, it says where you're going. Right now, you're not necessarily doing anything. The flow of energy is happening. You're naturally attracting because you need that, and there is some lack in the indolence card over there. You're going in a flow. You're going in a natural flow, and you're feeling that lack. You're feeling that wantingness, and that's when transformation happens with the Death card, and that is the Death card. Natural transformation. You're not creating any kind of transformation. You're naturally attracting that positive transformation. Right now it might seem very dramatic, very dark, etc. With the Death card, we don't know what to do at this moment of time, but we already are in that present moment of not knowing what exactly to do, and that's when it's gonna get even deeper. And that's when you wait with the Hanged Man. It's all about waiting for the perfect time, and when the perfect time comes, you're gonna analyze, and the Hanged Man, he stops hanging. When he gets the resolution, he stops hanging. And you can see the same snake over here also in the below. I feel whenever you get that resolution, you can see the spokes over here. It's all about the remembrance. Again, this is also knowledge. This is the anchor symbol. And here also the same representation. Here also the same representation of light. And this matrix is all about your life, but the same kind of knowledge that was shared from the Hierophant, the person, you're going to realize here, because there's a snake over here also. You're going to realize, and that's when, after getting the resolution, you wake up and become the Queen of Swords. You become strong. Now you got into a position where you know your worth, you know who you are, you know your worth. And you try to create again boundary, because now you realized how people are and what people did to you, and what people are basically, and you're getting into that elevation state. You're being in a position where you deserve, and that comes under resolution. So yeah. So I feel it's all about the timing. When the timing is right, you're going to get the resolution. You're going to it's like a nostalgic moment. You go back and suddenly you get the spark and realization. And then you become the Queen of Swords. Which is very much required. At this particular point, Queen of Swords is a perfect card to come. In the alternate path, we got 9 of Discs, which is Gain. 5 of Discs, which is Worry. And the Devil, Major Arcana. So yeah, whatever kept you in a worry state, whatever you are lacking, you're going to gain that. You're going to gain that, but it's all about the timing. You need to wait. And because at some point of time again you're going to get the worry that you don't have enough. But in order to really analyze your worry, how worry is, you have to wait. And that's the reason why you got worry in the second, not necessarily the first. You need to wait even longer than you expect, and this is required. It is definitely necessary, but it is not expected. So but whatever you're worrying about, you're gonna definitely gain. And I feel most of it is with regards to money, because here it is pentacles, and you might be definitely getting international currency also. I've said this before in one of the readings. This card also represents international currency, and especially coming as the first card, it definitely means international currency. And whatever is tying you up, whatever is clinging you with this devil energy, you're gonna get a lot of knowledge also with the devil. It's all about the recognition. It's all about the blessings and the recognition. In this scenario, devil is fame. Because here we got halo, and halo is nothing but blessings from the angels. And over here he is wearing in his horn the almost like a flower crown, and this also represents fame. This both represents blessed and fame. And knowledge, as I said, because this is the Egyptian symbol over here, which always represents knowledge. And yeah, that's it. Fame and knowledge is going to come. That is the alternate path. The alternate path is to just wait and be prepared that you're going to feel this lack again, but this lack is again, it's different. But to analyze the aspects of this worry, from how this worry is coming, what makes you worry, that is why you need to wait. But whatever is worrying you, you're going to get. Okay, exactly, you're going to get that. In the psychological basis, we got works, 3 of discs, Queen of Wands, court card, and 10 of Swords, ruin. Court card in the center, Queen of Wands. You might be connecting with Gemini, because we got in the background. And Gemini, Queen of Swords, Queen of Wands, they got it in the current path. So you can check out Gemini reading. You might definitely be connecting with them, because 3 of Pentacles also collaboration card. And works, you might be working with them. Queen of Swords is a person, and it's not you. It might be someone else, and I'm suspecting that I think that it could be Gemini people. And I feel, I don't know, psychically, I don't know from where I got this, maybe from current path, entire reading, you might be working for them. I mean, you are the leopard here. You are kind of under them, and this is basically Gemini people, and this is you, Cancer. But I feel we got 10, ruin, which is also transformation. So everything will be transformed. If you don't like the position that you are right now, don't worry. In the background, everything, it's gonna get adjusted. When I say ruin, it's nothing but try to get adjusted, and this will naturally happen. Okay, you're gonna get into a better position, and you're gonna become the Queen of Swords. So this is just the background energy over here. In the current path, we got 9 of Swords, cruelty, prudence, 8 of discs, and Prince of discs, which is again a court card. So your karma is to analyze how your energy is being wasted, and which aspect of your life your energy is being wasted. Okay, definitely there will be loss of energy. There will be some aspect of us, what we are doing, there will be loss, definitely. And it might be in a minor scale or larger scale, but whatever it is, if we create good habits, you can see the growth will naturally happen. And over time, this is not just us, this is not what we do just for few days. It's a long term thing. You can observe the growth happening for a long term. Tree always grows slowly. So whatever is tiring you down, whatever energies you're wasting on, you're going to analyze, and it's going to be very quick. Okay, especially with the Mars energy and coming in the first karma, that is the focal point. You analyzing where you're putting your energy, and you can see when you put your energy that you want towards the growth happening, and that's when whatever you're worrying you're going to get. Okay, and this is again receiving. This is just receiving. This is just building up. This is building up, creating the fruits of your labor, and this is just taking one of the fruit and just being grateful. That is what I'm feeling. And it's almost like you do this somewhere else and you come back to see the same hangman energy over here. Whatever knowledge you got from that person, you're gonna again use that in order to analyze where you are after receiving. So it's a beautiful energy. I feel whoever is coming this month to give knowledge, I feel it's gonna definitely amplify and change your life. So be ready, be prepared, be ready to meet this person. Again, check out your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs as well. But if you'd like to get a personal reading from me, you can check out my business card. I offer services for tarot reading, astrological reading, life coaching and daily readings. All the price ranges including my contact details are mentioned respectively. Also check out my recent special video, how tarot works, and I'm very happy how it played out. Definitely check out how tarot cards work video. I'll definitely mention in the icon there. You will understand how these tarot cards actually work. And if you want to get a tarot card reading or you want to become a tarot card reader also, that video will definitely help you to get the right information. And subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified. I'll catch you guys the next one. Thank you.